Most agents ignore new construction because they don't know how to get them. But here's the truth. The agents who dominate this space, they don't wait for builders to call them. They partner with them, position themselves as an expert in the local market. So in this video today, I'm going to break down how you can start getting consistent leads, referrals, listings from new construction communities if you've never sold one before. So why is new construction a gold mine? So let's be real. Inventory is very tight right now. Resales are down. Buyers are picky. Every lead costs more. But guess what? Who is still building homes? Builders. So we all know rates are going up. Builders keep building. Why? Because business model depends on it. That means you can always find opportunity if you know where to look. The best part is buyers love new homes. No bidding wars, customized finishes, warranties that makes them feel safe. You can position yourself as an agent who helps navigate the process. So most agents stay away from new construction because they think, builders don't need agents. They don't know what the commission is. I don't know how it works. There is a lot of opportunity because while other agents are scared or don't know or what to do, you're stepping in with a value. So let's talk about how to partner with builders. Let's talk about what you need to do to get your foot in the door. So the first step is show up. You visit these model homes during the week, not just on the weekends, because during the weekends, these sales reps are very, very busy. Buyers are coming in, they're seeing homes, and it'd be hard for you to communicate and do what you want to do because when you go in these places, you want to film content. So introduce yourself, the sales rep, let them know who you are. Just don't pitch them right away. Ask them about the inventory, ask them about the upcoming phases, the incentives, so you can be very well educated what's going on in the new construction market. Second thing is you want to build trust. Follow up, bring coffee or lunch, share the listings on your social media, tag the builder, the community, and become the agent in the market. Be the expert, be the go-to agent, be the person that knows everything that's happening in a new construction market. The third thing you want to do is you want to bring value. Ask them, like, what's one thing you wish more agents understood about working with builders? Then offer to create content around the topic to help educate the buyers. Over time, you'll find that these builder reps will start sending you unrepresented buyers who will walk in the door because you built a relationship. And it's all about showing up and being consistent. If you're going in there and being consistent and showing your face, talking to these sales rep, then no. But if you're a person who just goes in there and pop in and out, they're not gonna know who you are. So now we're gonna talk about be the content bridge. So most builders are terrible about marketing because they're just so busy just building their product for the consumers. Their website's outdated, the social media pages are dry, and their videos are just not engaging. And this is when you, the agent, come in to be the expert, build content, and bridge between the builders and the buyer. So this is how you do it. So you're gonna go in these new construction homes, the homes that has the model homes, and you are going to record content. The best thing to do is just, if you have an iPhone, get your iPhone, because this is how I record content in these new construction home. And you go through this home, make sure all the lights are on, and just go through the home and just record at a nice slow pace and get everything that you need to do. This long form content, what you could do is just chop it up and make short form content and post it on your YouTube channel and post it on your Instagrams. And you could have examples for your video, your content, the top 3 reasons people love living in blank community name. Another thing you could do, you could interview the builder rep if they let you interview the builder rep. Ask them what makes this community different. You can showcase the amenities, nearby schools, the lifestyles, and not just the walls and the floors. This builds your brand authority while also giving you building a free market. And this is a win-win. And here's the kicker. You don't even need a client to start. You go in, talk to the sales rep, get permission, film content, tag them, and that's visibility alone that brings credibility. Because you want to be the go-to agent in the new construction community. So by you building your brand, posting on YouTube, doing little short clips on Instagram and TikTok, you start getting DMs from people like, hey, I saw this new community that you posted, is it available? And boom, that's how you got the lead. So now let's talk about why buyers need you when buying a new construction home. So what happens is, what they do is they think. Like they just think they just walk in directly from the builder, but they don't realize like there are some steps or things that you need to be very cautious buying a new construction home. And buyers need to know the sales rep works for the builder, not the buyer. Like the sales rep is gonna sell you everything you need to sell that you don't know, and you as a buyer, you could spend thousands of dollars that you don't need. Also, the contracts are written in their favor of the builder. There's limited flexibility once you sign. So if you go in there without an agent and you sign something, you don't know the flexibility. That's why it's very important to have an agent negotiate on your behalf. And your role is to be the advocate. Like you want to guide the buyer through the process. You want to educate them on the builder contract. Help them understand what inspection still matter even for a brand new home. You want to guide them through the upgrades, which ones add value and which one doesn't, because I say, if they come in there by themselves, they don't know what to do. They might think this might bring value in a home, but it's not. So it's very important as you as an agent to educate these buyers in this new construction home. And you want to protect their timeline and communicate between the lender, the builder, and the title, and make sure that they know what they need to do each step of the way so they get to the finish line so there's no hiccup. And when buyers see that you're saving them time, money, and stress, you've earned the client for life. And if you want my checklist on buying new construction home, comment below this video, checklist, and I'd be glad to send you that checklist for you to help you navigate through the home buying process so you know what things you need to do, what questions to ask, and you could be a happy buyer buying a new construction home. So once you've built a few relationships, you want to start creating a new construction network, a system that works best for you. So you want to go to all the new construction events, conventions, and know what's going on in the market and get all the information you need. So when you get all the information you need, make a Google sheet or CRM and list all the builders, reps in the area, the people you work with, and the relationships you build. Then you're going to take notes of all the incentives they have, any upcoming projects, and any key contacts to reach out to that sales rep. Then people in your database who are interested in new construction, you want to send them information what's going on. And the cool thing about it is that a lot of these sales reps who you have a relationship with are going to send you updates of any new homes or any incentives or anything they're offering. And to reach out to anyone who's interested in the new construction market, this is what you do. You're like, hey, I just toured this new community in Austin. They're offering $20,000 towards closing costs this month. And builders love the exposure and clients love that you're the first to know. And that's how you start becoming a go-to agent in the new construction market, by you doing the steps that you need to do. If you never tap into new construction, you're leaving deals on the table. The truth is the niche is wide open. And once you build these relationships, it can become the most consistent source of business. And not everyone is doing that. Lots of agents just want to work on resale value. They don't know what the new construction market, and they just don't spend the time and energy to know, because this new construction niche is a gold mine if your community is building lots of new construction homes. Like for example, my market is Denver, and they're building so much new construction home. And if you take your time and you learn this stuff, and the cool thing about it is that your buyers don't have to worry about going to multiple offer situations. They get a brand new home, and the sales rep just does everything you need to do. And what you do is you just educate your buyer by a new construction home, and so they can understand, and it could be an easy process. And the cool thing is that they're offering so much bonuses to agents right now today for you to make most of your money. And there's lots of people in our group who are killing it in the new construction market, and they just love it because they found a niche that they're doing. And I love new construction because it's just so many new construction communities, a lot of custom homes out there. And if you're a person who does this right, this could benefit you and make your client very, very happy. And if you want help building new construction strategy or need ideas how to start partnering with builders in your market, just DM me. I am here to help you out and give you a whole map, a step-by-step way for you to be the go-to agent in the new construction market. And if you found value from this video, just hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your market.